Hi everybody, this is Kim. I'm back again with another video on the Ardell Faux Mink lashes. This is in the 810. That's what they look like. Also, don't forget to subscribe, click the thumbs up, leave some comments at the bottom, please. Let's get this video started, y'all. My first video, I'll link it at the top so you can see what the 812s look like. But these look like they're a little bit thicker, where it's the 812s. Let me see if here they go. As you see, the 812s, and these are the 810s. So we're gonna see what these look like on. That's what they look like inside the package. Okay, and then I'm gonna use the duo, and this is the one with the brush. Black, of course. And now I'm gonna put a little bit of glue on her. Now we're going to apply the lash. Now these lashes, real cute. These are some cute lashes. Only thing, the band is a little stiff and thick, and I'm not used to it because I'm still new at applying, with applying lashes. But these lashes are really cute. Now, I think I need to cut this one a little bit shorter because it is a little bit long. It's kind of hanging off a little bit. But other than that, they're super cute. Very cute. I'm going to put a little bit of mascara on them just to kind of blend my... Yes, these Ardell lashes. Like I said, these are the Ardell... 810. I like them. That's super cute. Now these Ardell lashes supposed to be lightweight. It's supposed to have an invisible band on them, and they're supposed to be easy to apply. Yes, they are easy to apply, but to me the band is very stiff, so you're gonna have to kind of roll them around a little bit, just to kind of loosen that band up a little bit. They're really, really cute lashes. Really cute lashes. So you can see. All right, don't forget to subscribe, leave a comment, thumbs up the video. I'll see y'all in the next one. Peace.